Hello guys, welcome to IT Networking. White screen, white bloom in Windows 11. So how to fix? So guys, I have a lot of method. So fix your problem. So firstly, you forcefully restart your systems, okay, and then remove all uh, instrument like pen drive, printer, and any gaming chip, uh, any type of USB. So only computer, CPU on monitor, keyboard, mouse, or remove please internet cable also. Okay, and then go to driver manager. How to go? Open file manager, right click to show properties and manage. And guys, click to driver manager. So in your system have a graphic card, so to click to display adapter. So you select your graphic and right click to update and click to update automatically and close. Click to start button, setting, Windows update, and all are installed the pending, so click to install, download and install. Now this is downloading. Okay, so two update are already in the installed and one more installing. Then guys, last and final, you click start button and create point, search create restore point, click to create restore point. Okay, so configure. Actually my system is restore point is disabled, so you just click this option is show in your system. So when you click to restore point date wise showing the tab, so you select when that time you problem is not facing, so you click and next. Okay, and then restart automatically and you show your system restore point is successfully. Okay, so thank you guys. Have an issue please comment me, I will support you in. Bye bye, take care.